outside the door. Was like, I'm not getting up to this.
Heck yeah. You see that? It's official. Shout out to KC Dent Crafters, baby. Come get your car done. Ah. I love when I put down fresh hay for them to walk around in, especially after a good rain. These girls sure don't mind the weather though. And got the fresh hay laid down in there and they're having a blast. They already know where they belong. Get in the kennel, guys. Kennel. What is going on? So today is a rainy day on the homestead, and it's time to find some indoor projects. So just recently, we have started selling stuff on Facebook, trying to minimalize half the things that we have right now. So I decided, hey, why don't we buy something cheap and make it really nice. Make it quality, make it, repaint it, something, do something to it. And it's my first time doing it, so I thought, hey, why not make a video of it? So, come along with me and see what I got going. So we just purchased this, $17, and we're gonna see, after painting it, staining it, putting new hardware on down here, seeing what we can get for it. So, looks like it has a couple scuffs and whatnot, but it'll be fun. It's something to do, especially on rainy days like this when you can't be outside very much around the garden or the chickens. It works pretty well. Well, I could fix that. Kind of stiff. But it's made in the USA, and that's what you really care about. So taking something like this and making it way better, it's nicely made. It's definitely sturdy, so we're gonna see what we can do. And my partner is gonna be there every step of the way. Say hello, Nyla. I hate how the light just shines off of my bald head. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my drill and take the hardware off. We went to Lowe's and got some new hardware, so it's better quality. For this, what do they call this? I think it's called a buffet. I don't know, that's my wife. But we got new hardware for it. And I'm gonna sand it down and go from there. So I'm not gonna use the drill because the drill will not fit. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna get a screwdriver or something easy that will fit in there. I got those off. Typically, we've done this one other time, I guess. Not me, but my father-in-law, and I was there watching. But we did this, so either we can take these to savers or give these away, or you can just keep them if you want to use them for another project. So that's what we'll probably do with these. So now it's time for the fun part, sanding, which can be easy, but also kind of fun to do, kind of relaxing. Oh, I guess Nyla found something that she likes, but not for long. it's really important that we get all of the previous stain off. So when we do paint it or we do restain it, it doesn't just flake off later on. We want it to be really good quality. I'm finally done sanding. I was able to get a little bit of last minute sanding in and came out really well. So some of the brown spots, they're still gonna be there, but they're, the gloss is off so the paint can actually stick to it. And then right here, I put wood filler into those holes, and then once it's all dry, I'll sand that back down and be able to drill new holes for the new knobs we have. So we finally got a nice day, and I'm taking this out here so we can paint. And obviously I've already started, but we're painting the bottom side white and we're glossing the top. So here we go. So it's coming out just how we expected, and it looks really good. So far, so good. We're about done. We just have to add the hardware in. Watch out, Jinx. Yeah, that looks way better. And I'll be sure to add the before and after pic at the end of the video. Oh, so now it's time for the hardware part. So what I did was I just measured appropriately, and then I'm just gonna put these in. But as you see, the stain came out really well, the paint came out really well, and now just this is the last part. Hope I get this right. Hope I get it right.
There's always one of those.
We're all done with the hardware, and we brought it back into the garage so we can put another coat. What we're gonna do is put another coat so to give this a really nice shine and finish. And she's buffing out some of these light spots, and we should be done after this. Wish me luck, people. So we're just about done getting the last finishing touches of the stain, but as you can notice, it's way shinier. And we'll just let this dry for about 4 hours, and then we'll be all done. It actually goes really well in our house. Might need to keep it. But we're all done, and it was just posted, and we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys got something out of that. Hopefully we sell it, but if we don't, it goes well with the house. So if we end up selling it, we'll make another video. If we don't, we'll just keep it. But thank you, like I said, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.